Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. Now, this one is high paying for the big financial giant Upstart. You may have heard of them before. They give out loans and different things. They are looking for a customer success manager. And I've always said if you have the skills, go after the higher level supervisor and manager positions because that is where the salary and pay is at. And this one is paying anywhere from $90,000 a year all the way up to $125,000 a year. Now, the customer success manager is going to be aiming to improve the overall experience for their bank partners and be proactive with the partners to their customers. One thing to note that this is a remote role, but if you are near the San Mateo or Columbus areas, they do have offices there. Though their team operates on the East and Central time zones, so you need to make sure you convert your time zone to that time zone to see if that works for you. If they do ask you to come in to the office at any point for an in-person meeting, those are rare, but if they do, Upstart covers all your travel-related expenses. But just know this job as a senior level member of leadership may require some travel. But if you're okay with that, they are looking for somebody to drive business and revenue growth by partnering with the different financial institutions, managing projects independently, ensuring compliance, and negotiating priorities with bank customers and project completion deadlines. You'll optimize communication via interfacing directly with partners in project engineering, compliance, legal, finance, all the different divisions. You'll amplify the voice of the partner through collecting feedback, driving product enhancements, and maximizing task and communication impact. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 5 to 7 years of experience in consulting, financial operations role, or financial services, or a fintech company, someone who has great communication skills and can work with multiple stakeholders. Somebody has the desire to interact and relate to leading partners, someone who's a self-starter but can be a team player, and of course you've got to have those strong problem-solving skills. Now again, a salary is anywhere from $90,000 a year all the way up to $125,000 a year, and of course they offer standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.